What if the sun came to us? Imagine just for a moment that we could bring the sun to Earth. What would happen? Would it be a moment of awe, or would it spell disaster for our planet? It's a question that sparks the imagination and leads us down a path of cosmic curiosity. The sun, our life-giving star, is both a symbol of creation and destruction. The reality is, such an event would be catastrophic, an ultimate doomsday scenario. The intense heat and radiation would incinerate everything in its path, leaving no room for life as we know it. But let's explore the hypothetical, to understand the awesome power of our star and the delicate balance that sustains life on our planet. The sun is not just a source of light and warmth, it is a colossal nuclear reactor constantly churning out energy. Our journey begins by understanding the sheer scale and power of the sun. It is a massive ball of gas, primarily hydrogen and helium, undergoing nuclear fusion at its core. It's a giant, a furnace of nuclear fusion that dwarfs our planet. The energy produced in the sun's core takes thousands of years to reach its surface, and then just 8 minutes to travel the 93 million miles to Earth. Then, we'll journey through the hypothetical, witnessing the Earth's transformation as the sun draws near. The oceans would boil away, the atmosphere would be stripped, and the surface would become a barren wasteland. Finally, we'll reflect on the importance of such thought experiments, how they ignite our curiosity and deepen our appreciation for the universe we inhabit. These scenarios, while terrifying, remind us of the fragile balance that allows life to thrive on Earth. They push us to explore, to understand, and to protect our place in the cosmos. Our star, the sun, a magnificent celestial body that has fascinated humanity for millennia. The sun, a blazing ball of hydrogen and helium, sits at the heart of our solar system. It is a massive, glowing sphere of hot plasma, with its energy radiating outwards in all directions. Its diameter is over 100 times larger than Earth's. To put it in perspective, if Earth were the size of a nickel, the sun would be as large as a typical front door. If the sun were hollow, you could fit over 1 million Earths inside. This immense size is what allows the sun to exert such a powerful gravitational pull, keeping the planets in our solar system in their orbits. The sun's energy comes from nuclear fusion in its core, where hydrogen atoms fuse into helium, releasing enormous amounts of energy. This process has been ongoing for about 4.6 billion years, and will continue for billions more. This energy radiates outward, traveling millions of miles to reach us as light and heat. It takes approximately 8 minutes for sunlight to travel from the sun to Earth, covering a distance of about 93 million miles. It's this energy that makes life on Earth possible. Without the sun's warmth, our planet would be a frozen wasteland, incapable of supporting life as we know it. Plants use sunlight for photosynthesis, the process that forms the base of our food chain. Through photosynthesis, plants convert sunlight into chemical energy, producing oxygen and glucose, which are essential for the survival of most life forms. The sun drives our weather patterns, ocean currents, and climate. Its energy heats the Earth's surface, causing air and water to move, creating winds, storms, and ocean currents that regulate our climate. It's the ultimate source of energy for nearly everything on Earth. From the food we eat to the weather we experience, the sun's influence is omnipresent, making it the most vital component of our existence. The first visitors. But imagine if the sun started moving closer. Long before the sun even reached Earth, the effects would be devastating. The first sign would be a dramatic increase in solar radiation. Temperatures would skyrocket, turning our planet into an inferno. The oceans, Earth's lifeblood, would begin to evaporate at an alarming rate. The atmosphere, our protective shield, would be stripped away by the sun's intense heat and solar wind. The once vibrant blue planet would transform into a barren wasteland. Forests would ignite into uncontrollable wildfires, sweeping across continents. Deserts would expand, swallowing the remaining traces of green. The polar ice caps would vanish, contributing to rapidly rising sea levels. The end of life as we know it. As the sun drew closer, life on Earth would face its ultimate test. The intense heat would make survival impossible for most organisms. Plants would wither and die. Animals desperate for water and shade would succumb to the unbearable temperatures. The oceans, now hot and acidic, would no longer be able to support marine life. The very air we breathe would become toxic, saturated with carbon dioxide and other greenhouse gases. The ozone layer, our shield against harmful ultraviolet radiation, would be completely destroyed. Earth, once teeming with life, would become a silent, desolate world. With the sun now unbearably close, Earth would begin to melt. The planet's surface, composed of rock, would soften and liquefy under the intense heat. Mountains, once symbols of permanence, would flow like wax. Cities would crumble and melt into the molten landscape. Earth's once familiar features would be erased, transforming into a sea of magma. The Earth's crust, the solid outer layer, would become unstable and break apart. Volcanoes, fueled by the heat from below, would erupt with unprecedented fury, spewing lava and ash into the atmosphere. The molten surface would churn and bubble, a testament to the immense forces at play. Deep within Earth, the planet's core, a dense sphere of iron and nickel, would also feel the sun's wrath. The core, normally a source of Earth's magnetic field, would become increasingly unstable. This instability would trigger massive volcanic eruptions, further reshaping the planet's surface. Earth would become a hellscape of fire and molten rock, a scene of unimaginable destruction. The once familiar continents would be unrecognizable, swallowed by the global ocean of magma. The planet's atmosphere, now a thick haze of volcanic gases, would block out any view of the cosmos. As the sun continued its approach, Earth's fate would be sealed. The gravitational forces between the two celestial bodies would become overwhelming. Earth, now a molten blob, would be stretched and distorted by the sun's immense gravity. The planet would be torn apart, its remains spiraling towards the sun. The remnants of Earth, once a vibrant world teeming with life, would be consumed by the sun's fiery embrace. The process would be quick, a cosmic blink of an eye. Where Earth once orbited, there would be nothing left but a trail of dust and debris, a silent testament to the sun's awesome power. Of course, the scenario we've just explored is purely hypothetical. It's a product of our imagination, a mental exercise that stretches the boundaries of what we know and what we can conceive. The sun is not going to leave its position and come crashing into Earth. Our solar system is governed by the laws of physics, ensuring that such a catastrophic event remains in the realm of fiction. But imagining such events, even if impossible, can be both terrifying and exhilarating. It allows us to explore the limits of our understanding and to ponder the what-ifs that make science and discovery so thrilling. It reminds us of the immense power of the universe and the delicate balance that allows life to flourish on our planet. This balance is a result of countless factors, from the precise distance of Earth from the sun to the protective shield of our atmosphere. The universe is full of wonders, of celestial objects and phenomena that dwarf our everyday experiences. Nebulae, galaxies, and black holes are just a few examples of the incredible diversity and scale of the cosmos. By exploring these wonders, even through thought experiments, we ignite our curiosity and deepen our appreciation for the vastness and complexity of the cosmos. Scientists and researchers dedicate their lives to uncovering the secrets of the universe, driven by the same sense of wonder that fuels our imaginations. So the next time you look up at the night sky, let your imagination soar. Think about the countless stars, each potentially hosting its own solar system, and the mysteries that lie beyond our current understanding. Explore the possibilities, ask the big questions, and never stop wondering about the universe and our place within it. Our imagination is a powerful tool that can lead to new discoveries and a deeper connection with the cosmos. Embrace it, and let it guide you on a journey through the stars.